Witam was bardzo serdecznie na kanale Ferret Gra. Dzisiaj zaczniemy nową serię, którą będziemy ciągnąć chyba do końca, czyli będziemy szpilać. Dzisiaj jest live i jutro też będzie. Czyli, proszę państwa, Agent 07, pierwsze przebłyski białej myszki. Dokładnie tak idzie ta gra. Dobra, już nie będę wam puszczał tego. Jadymy duś. Oczywiście zachęcam do... Jeżeli wam się spodoba ta seria, to proszę, żebyście dali znać. Dobra. Czemu... Aj, czatu nie widać. Dlaczego czatu nie widać? 07, pierwszy na światłach. Czekajcie, zobaczę, czy coś napisze, że nie. Nie, jest! Patrz! Dobra. Czekajcie, wybaczcie. Nie. Aha, to musi być tak. Dobra, coś takiego będzie. Dobra, to już wiem, jak to działa. Dobra. No to jedziemy. First light. Pierwszy na światłach, no w sumie ja. Ja tylko sprawdzę, czy trzeba działa jakby co. Dokładnie. Witam was bardzo serdecznie. Dzisiaj będzie after po flekach, więc zapraszam. Wiem, że długo mnie nie było, ale no musicie, no były małe problemy. Wiem, że... Znaczy ja miałem już tą grę we wtorek. Wczoraj była premiera, a dzisiaj dopiero zaczynamy, ale no... Akurat jak mam premiery gry, to zawsze jesteś partoli z komputerem. No bywa, nie? Bywa. Zaraz mi się odpali. Już odpalałem tą grę. Mi działało wszystko. Ale znając życie, coś się spartoli. No to wiadomo. Pamiętajcie, że... Jeśli się przygotował 700 razy, to się tak coś spartoli. Dobra. Pierwszy raz dzisiaj klimatyzację już tu włączyłem. I chyba dobrze działa. Dobra. A właśnie, czy tnie, bo nie powinno już ciąć tego mikrofonu, ale zobaczymy. Oczywiście pojedziemy kampanię główną. Nie wiem, jak się w to gra, to będzie świeży szpil. Jak ja będę w to grał, co tam, jak tam, no dobrze, już wszystko. Dzisiaj nawet w CS-a już zagrałem pierwszego meczu w ogóle wygrałem, ale tak dla mnie, że hit. Więc zobaczymy. No i będziemy teraz ciść cały czas tę 07. Aż nie przyjdą z drugą, znaczy ten, nie? Dobra, więc to jest... Nie ten mikrofon jak coś. Dobra, dzięki. No bo trochę coś innego poustawiałem, więc powinno teraz działać. Znaczy, bo nie mam redukcji szumów. Potem założymy konto, dobra. Zasłuż na swój numer. I gramy wymagający, bo on musi statycznie zarządzać zdrowiem, zasobami. To gramy domyślny czy wymagający? Bo nowicjusz oczywiście odpada. Znaczy też, wiemy jak zaczynałem moje gry. Zaczynam na hardzie i rzadko kończę na hardzie. O, wczoraj ukończyłeś kurs praktyczny na prawie. Gratuluję Tewiro serdecznie. Muszę przyjść i zdać teoretyczny na ośrodku, podejmować się na państwowy egzamin. No to wszystkiego dobrego ci życzę. Pamiętaj, jak nie będziesz dalej pewny, jeśli chodzi o jazdę, możesz się zawsze dokupić. Domyślnie. No dobra. No nie, no pierwszy raz to gram, to wiecie. Ale już mam dalej pomysły na przeróbki tego. Na tytuł, wiecie, w tytule szpilu, nie? Że będzie 07 piszy na światłach i w więzieniu. Albo Agent 07, pierwsza wątroba. Macie pozdrowienia do Rewesta? Również pozdrawiam serdecznie. Jestem ciekaw, czy to będzie ciało i tak dalej, bo ja sobie to odpaliłem tą gierkę, zobaczymy.
Scientists and engineers. No comms, no morning check-in. Been offline. visuals and a status. That's one expensive wake-up call. Must be more to it than that. Let's see. Norwegian weather satellite picked up an unusual heat signature a couple of clicks off coast 2 hours ago. That's all I've got. What sort of retrieval?
Nie zdążę chyba tego czytać, wiecie?
That's classified. Can't sound right, little lousy.
Ale ładna ta gra. Helikopter! Helikopter! No sorry. Skacz! Dobra, jedziemy. Jakby coś zacinało w obrazie albo coś, to powiedzcie, bo normalnie teraz ustawiam na 60 fps-ów. OBS-a, zobaczymy. No grając o Jamesie Bondzie i to jest właśnie tego z młodości, jak on zaczął być agentem 007, więc musimy zasłużyć na numer dopiero, jeszcze nie jesteśmy nim. Z tego co kojarzę, mniej więcej. Chodzi o Fażymuła. Jak macie przykład z moich sławek, to też dajcie znać, bo będę musiał to potem ogarnąć. Fuj, to jest sama ręka. A nie, dobra, to jest cały. To jest oczywiście zrobione na ci, co zrobili Hitmana, czyli na Glazerze i IO Interactive to zrobili. No to widać, że to jest ta sama grafika, ten sam silnik. Wiem, że może dla nie wszystkich to jest oczywiste, ale ja tyle godzin grałem w Hitmana, że ja to widzę na kilometr. Siemano, Sawiko, cześć! Fajnie, że jesteś. Muszę W naciskać. Ja jestem rybą do nosa. Ja nie wiem, myślałem, że z rybą i do kichola mu wpłynę. To, żeście się zastanawiali za modu, jak to jest, że ogień płonie, że woda płonie? A to jednak diesel, znaczy, no. Jeżeli w to się gra tak w Hitmana, wiem, że będę żałował tych słów, to ogarnia, co się dzieje. Tyle, że jak kucać. Podobnie jak pierwsza misja w Hitmanie 2. Na podobnej plaży zaczynamy. Ja nie wiem, czy to nie jest copy-play hitboxa z tego. Sorry, będę to porównywał do tego. No bo on już to automatycznie sam idzie. O, kamera już sama. Jerzy? Jerzy! A mówiłem ci, żebyś nie pił bimbru bez popity. Mamy samouczek. Będziemy w to naparzyć cały czas jak coś. jest tyłem czy przodem, bo nie widzę. Aha, no nie widziałem. No i pierwszy ten. Nie widziałem, czy jest przodem, czy tyłem. Zmień poziom trudności. No na pewno. Na trudny damy. Nie no, muszę się nauczyć. Proszę oczywiście o wyrozumiałość. Nie, czekajcie, on musi przyjechać. Tam muszę iść. No, to mi kamera sugeruje, dobra. Już się kapłem. Kurde, wam powiem, dobrze to wygląda. Kurde, tak to nie umie łazić, a tak to potrafi biegać. Będzie lotał, hop. Oczywiście nie mamy. Mamy tylko polskie napisy będą, oczywiście po angielsku będzie. Żebyśmy się też pouczyli po angielskiemu. Może powtórzymy angielski. No to tak jak w Hitmanie to samo. No, to jest to samo, to samo. Sorry, że tak to porównuję cały czas, ale no... Jak jest... Co ty gadasz? Zarąbali mnie, no nie widziałem. Dzisiaj after? Ja, będzie dzisiaj after, dzisiaj pogadamy. Co i jak, jeśli chodzi o kanał i... Do zobaczenia na afterze. Dobra, to do zobaczenia. Trzymaj się, Sawiko. A, no kto ja do tej strogiej. Dobra, jademy dzisiaj w fest. Aha, dobra. Dobra.
It was an ambush. Both choppers down. Hostiles are organized and heavily armed.
This is MI6. We're taking control of this mission effective immediately. Are you injured?
I'll live.
Good, because we need your help. What's your name, soldier?
Bond.
Oh, you're not SAS.
They're crewmen.
In training. We'll have to make do. I need you to be our eyes and ears on site. Do you see a camp?
Nie jestem kamperem, ja gram... Ale to zazwyczaj
No,
lurka.
but there's some light coming from the other side of the mountain.
That's it. Get there.
A teraz mam taką nową funkcję tutaj, że... Wiem, że to będzie śmieszne, ale teraz mam nową funkcję na OBS-ie, że mogę was zbanować z tego poziomu. Już nie muszę prosić fretki o to. Oczywiście tak się nie zdarza, ale... Albo bardzo rzadko, ale... Coś nowego. Dobra, że powiedziałeś, że trzeba iść w górę.
Gotta be a way over there.
Kurde, ładnie. Ładnie kamera pracuje.
Are you sure you're up for this? Adrenaline can mask even significant damage.
Better keep those levels up then.
Jak to jest sprint, to mi tu... kucnij. Trzeba cupnąć.
What is it?
Just taking in the view.
Tell me what you see.
It looks like the hostiles are heading back to the camp.
Tell me about them.
They're an international group, speaking English but with accents, capable and well organized. Ex-military. Firearms are unfamiliar, I guess. Special issue.
That's good. But keep your eyes peeled.
Tell me, why is MI6 getting involved here?
The retrieval camp has been compromised. How and by whom is what I need your help figuring out.
Yeah, but why MI6?
That's classified.
Okay. Well, who's running the retrieval mission then?
Also classified.
How can I help if I don't know what's going on?
By doing exactly what I tell you.
Yes, Mom.
Powiedział, jest mam. Tak, mamo, a nie proszę pani. Albo madam.
Have you located the camp?
Not yet. I hope I'll see it when I clear the top.
Dobra, zapis na siebie. O, siemano! Pierwsza wiadomość na czacie. Sabilak. Siemanko, Sabilak.
But what exactly?
A ja wiem, kto to jest. Cześć, Sabilak. Cześć.
What then?
How long were you in the water for?
You're dodging the question.
And you're hypothermic. Get to the camp and find some warm clothes. I need you operational.
You would need both.
Dobra, jademy. Lecimy, durś. Idziemy. Tu trzeba będzie iść.
Fingers are the first to go.
What?
In the cold. First they hurt, then nothing.
Right.
No właśnie, tak, bo to najdalej od serca. Palce zawsze trzeba, palce i nogi. Czyli kończyny górne i dolne. No, zejście, nie? Muszę ogarnąć jeszcze jak kneflami tutaj naciskać. Ała, paluszki bolą.
I see some perimeter markers.
Good. You're close to the camp.
Fingers and toes. Water certainly doesn't help.
You're in water again.
Better than getting spotted.
The entire camp and perimeter.
Rosyjski akcent.
Yeah. Huh. This one's armed.
They are all armed.
Thank you, MI6.
Saves us the trouble.
MI6 explosives. They're the ones running the retrieval mission.
Not officially.
Instead of a grid of high explosives covering the whole area.
It's a post-mission cleanup measure. Thermochemical sterilization. I didn't want you to get worried.
Oczywiście.
Sterilization. What's to worry about?
Thermo. And it's quite safe. What's not, however, is you still out in the cold.
Yes, I know.
Już to nie biegnie tak dalej.
There's a window here I could get through.
Dziwnie się steruję z tym bieganiem do przeszkód.
That'll do.
Good news?
Parker.
Стигам се. Где си био до sada?
Отпусти се. Стижам за секунд.
Dobrze, znam czarnogórski.
You speak Serbian.
Montenegrin. Picked up a few phrases while mountain climbing there.
A man of hidden talents.
Mhm.
Now, let's figure out who these hostiles are.
Already on it. I found a receipt in the jacket.
Targowska,
Berlin
wyjadnik
Cafe,
The Bomb.
November 17th. Paid in cash.
Berlinia, zapłacone
Interesting.
gotówką.
Keep it coming.
O nie! Agent 07, szukamy gorzoły.
A briefcase.
Otwarto go
It's full
siłą.
of ashes.
One of ours.
Neseser.
Self-ignites if open wrong.
Nie wiem, jak będzie kamerka coś zasłaniała, to dajcie znać, to wtedy ją przestawię tutaj.
Someone's lying here. He's been shot.
Vitals?
I found one of their guns.
What kind?
It's a TXK biome. Serial's gone.
Discontinued. Also, it's biometrically locked.
Brilliant.
Czyli jak ma zabezpieczenia biometryczne, to nie no to ja z nim nie pojeżdżę.
He's dead. Foster. One of yours?
Senior engineer. Keep going.
Jak lustra działają? No, działają w miarę. Zawsze warto patrzeć, jeśli chodzi... Warto patrzeć, jeśli chodzi o lustra. Szkoda, że nie mam mapy, kurde. Jak w Hitmanie. Byłoby łatwiej, no ale no. Taka gra, nie mogę tego... To nie jest
Heading
Hitman.
into the camp now.
Don't draw attention to yourself.
Czy fajnie, że nie prowadzi za rączkę. Ja lubię takie gry właśnie, uwielbiam. Ale nie wiem, czy jak to się ogląda, jak się streamuje. To jakbyście mogli dać znać później. Czy się to podoba wam i tak dalej, bo też
Like the
pierwszy raz...
inscription. S. Popovich.
Good. Too common a name. Keep looking.
Czemu żeś nie wziął tego?
Com device. Military grade layered encryption.
Hard to come by.
Patch. Red and white checkers.
In this context, could reference Croatia.
Mhm.
Torn grid map here.
Proszę
That's
pana
just a
mapa.
site explosives protocol from the MI6 handbook.
Dobra.
Rocket launcher. Serial 394 KLB 211.
The launcher is part of a US shipment stolen in Algiers 9 years ago.
That was fast.
Keep digging. We're not done.
No, szybko, nie? Wiedziała. Śmierdzi mi tu i to nie klimatyzacją. Fajny,
Crash that thing.
fajny ten, żebyś tam nie poszedł. Fajny zabieg.
You. Back this up for me. The boat's right there. Damn thing. Where's Jovan when you need him?
Wasn't up for it this time. Those 9 mil lost on the German job. And that cleanup,
That was mess.
Kurde, ciekawe.
come on, let's check it out.
You've got this, right? Good man.
Some of them just mentioned a messy German job. 9
Nieudane...
million lost.
Hang on. I know exactly who we're up against. A Balkan gang of thieves known as Arrowhead. Notorious for never leaving any witnesses. Listen, I'm going to ask you to enter the big central tent. But what you learn in there can never be mentioned to anyone. Understood?
Heading there now.
I'm serious, Bond. You haven't signed the Official Secrets Act. I need to hear you say that you accept and acknowledge its ramifications.
I accept and acknowledge.
Accept and acknowledged. No, brytyjski akcent, nie? Musiał być. Fajna to z ręką. Widzieliście, jak podszedłem do tego, to on automatycznie się tak odepchnął ręką. Fajne! No dopieścili to. Naprawdę mi się podoba. A, na shifcie chodzi szybciej, dobra.
Entering now. Any bombs I should know of?
None you should know of. No.
Szukamy.
Lay it on me.
I can't. You're still on a need-to-know basis.
Figures.
Mission Protocol Grey Envelope forbids any overwrite mention at this encryption level. Will not discuss any specifics.
No, tu zdjęcia robią.
Now, do you...
Muszę makijaż narychtować.
I'm afraid that's classified. What's that noise?
What?
Distortion. Oscillating. Or... gone.
Coś jest nie tak. Dobra, wchodzimy. I co tam nakukumy, obejrzymy.
thing now. Or what's left of it.
I need you to look for the OBC unit inside.
OBC. And that is?
Right. Onboard computer. The size of a shoebox. Probably suspended in some shock-absorbent webbing.
Chyba to automatycznie.
Have a look around the tent for it.
On it.
Znajdź komputer pokładowy. No dobra, będziemy kukać.
Whoa,
What is it?
that don't feel well.
Just keep looking.
Ciekawe, ciekawe. No zaraz się zżygo, no. To jest agent 07.
Are you sure it's completely sealed?
It's sealed. Come on.
Someone's coming. They're wearing hazmat suits. Should I worry?
Give me a sec.
We got what we came for. Let's get the hell out of here.
We get on the Zap and in 3 weeks, strike gold in Brazil.
Works for me. The
Fine.
others are preparing the final cleanup now.
Ever been to Brazil?
First time. What's it like?
Beaches and
Did you mention sound distortion before?
Yeah.
I need you to do exactly as I say. Do you see the red door? Head for it. Right now.
What?
You need an antidote. You've been exposed to a nerve agent.
Aha. Otruli mnie gadziny pierońskie. Chadziaje.
Decontamination.
O, kaccenka mamy.
What exactly am I looking for?
A green box with a bright orange stripe. Probably tucked away somewhere.
O nie, to jest...
The hell is all this stuff?
Look, you need to find that antidote. Green box, orange stripe.
Będzie tutaj.
Which one?
What?
There's two of them.
The orange one. Do not use the other one.
Here goes nothing.
Powiedział, że nie używać drugiego, a wstrzyknął obie. Ciekawe.
God,
Bond? You okay?
that might be pushing it.
A, to ziomek był, dobra.
What next?
Have a little rest and then get to somewhere safe. You've done great. We'll have an extraction team pick you up in about an hour.
They still have that thing you're after and they're about to leave.
Yes, and we'll let them. Thanks to you, we've been able to deduce exactly who the buyer is, where they'll be meeting, and at what time. We'll intercept in a controlled environment with no risk to the asset. You just get out of the camp, sit tight.
One of your crew's still alive. Hostiles haven't. I don't fancy his chances. I'll follow. See what I can do.
You're in no state. They'll spot you and kill you. Remember who you're up against.
Wrap it up.
Now you start to worry about me.
Nie.
I'm taking this one to the others. G9 or B4.
No kurde, przecież... A, tu.
They're all inside the blast. What's the
Jak
point?
pierwsze wrażenia, moi drodzy? Jak wam się podoba szpil?
They just shot him.
No witnesses.
I think some of the others are still alive, but the hostiles plan to blow up the place.
You need to get out of the blaster.
Oh, I need to save those people.
That is not your call. Stand down. That's an order.
Nie pomijamy tego.
Listen carefully. You have less than 1% chance of success. Now stand down.
I'll take those odds.
Bond,
I tak normalnie, pamiętajcie, to są właśnie filmy,
Okay,
no,
James. 2 containers. B4 or G9. Which one's first?
B4 i G9. Nie ma, a tam jest G9, to idziemy do G9. To jest to właśnie, że normalnie to właśnie człowiek powinien uciec właśnie. I tak bym też sam powiedział, żebyście
No
tak
time to
robili.
hesitate. Those people need my help.
I had enough sunshine on the place. I heard about it. Profitable.
Fajnie zrobić
Should be
stąd.
able to use that crevasse to avoid being spotted.
Nie. Czy tu coś mogę zrobić?
Look at this. Guy was writing home to his wife.
Guess I look.
No. Wrong
Kurde, nie eliminowałbym nikogo najchętniej. Jak w Hitmanie. No ale na razie się uczę.
Why I'm the one babysitting his brick.
Takie to brutalne i brzydkie.
Didn't see that
proszę
coming, did you?
państwa. Klucz do magazynu. A jest tu jeszcze coś? Fragment satelity. No dobra, przyda się zawsze.
There you are. Oh, thank God. Hey, listen.
Gierka wydaje się na fajną. Dziękuję, dziękuję Fredka.
What's the plan?
Can't we just sit tight and wait for the others to deal with the hostiles?
I'm all you've got.
Just one guy.
We're so screwed.
Get a grip, Irv.
What about the others? We can't leave without them.
Others.
In B4, other side of the camp. They split us into 2 groups. They were really rough. I hope they're okay.
Okay. You need to stay put while I free them. Then run east on my signal.
What kind of signal?
You'll know when you see it.
Godspeed.
Świetnie dogadane. Rewelacyjnie. I hop nagle wiesz, i to na jaki sygnał? Nagle wiesz, siedzisz, czekasz i nagle patrzysz, a hop gra dla flecie, nie?
I'm backing out now, James. Need to find those captives.
Tu chyba trzeba eliminować po prostu, a nie ich rozkojarzać. Będę się uczył. Fajnie, że pomiędzy tymi szczelinami można.
Where are you?
Tam jest.
Heavy duty. Just what I need.
Na przypale albo wcale, nie?
How about some privacy?
A myślę, że tam mogę zejść, a tu trzeba było wyskoczyć.
Yes, you'd say that. But the point is that we're wrapping up as we were. Hey, who's there?
No dobra, to było głupie. Będę się uczyć. Będę się uczył w czasie. To będę cię tak z dumem też tam nie wyłaziło. A potem mieliłem jak kurczaczki. To, że ja będę w ukryciu i kontroli nie zwracać na siebie uwagi. No właśnie to jest to, co ja zrobiłem. Nie zwracałem w ogóle na siebie uwagi. Czy byłem blisko, ale...
All right, container B4. Where are you?
Heavy duty. Just what I need.
Let Brit well into this stuff. You could still bring it.
Tam nie przejdę. Aha, zawiśnięcie na E, dobra. Właśnie tu chciałem... I E? Tak, tak, tak. I to mogę przejść tak. Nie ma żadnego wylotu, co za pieruństwo. Ja się tu przez okno.
What's the point? Nothing. We found it.
Cyk, nie ma...
Thank God.
Nie ma Jurusia. Trochę...
Listen, I already freed your friends. We don't have much time. The hostiles are planning to blow up the camp.
Oh god. Oh god, oh god.
They can't. That idiot was in charge of the detonator.
Still, these guys mean business. We need to go. Wait for my signal, then run east.
What's the signal?
Any ideas?
If you topple the central mast, we'll all hear it. It's barely standing in this storm. Snap one of the wires, and I bet that'll be enough. Here, the detonator. You better take it.
Sam sobie mogłem wziąć, nie musiałem im podać. Dziękuję, nie? Ale dziocha... Detonator to wiesz co jest.
Towards the sunrise.
Czekałem na drugie detonator.
Good luck.
Ten co łazi po tym dachu jak,
Time to bring the house down.
jak posionym.
That should start things up a bit. There's your signal.
Ten się leci, choby na noc miał te. Udało mi się czy nie? Chyba ja. O.
Hey, come on! Come on!
Ty przed chwilą eliminowałeś chyba z 7 ludzi od tyłu nożem i tak dalej. A jak tego chłopa mu strzelają. Te wybuchy, te pościgi. Trzeba mieć refleks jednak.
Everybody okay? Follow me this way. There's a way out.
Fajnie, że tam nikt nie kojfnął, nie? On teraz spadnie, będzie musiał mu pomóc.
what is this now? You wanna blow us up
Yeah, thinking about it.
and destroy the asset? MI6 would never.
I'm not MI6.
Run into the sunlight. It's the first light of day when you wake. Is it
Ładna zorza tam była
real or is
podarna.
it fake? Your strength is your youth. Just use it and follow the music play. Promise you'll never change.
Ładne te szachy tutaj. Ładne, ładne. Naprawdę bardzo ładnie to wygląda, powiem wam.
Can't say I'm surprised too.
A Dua Lipa chyba robiła do tego muzykę.
Like I'm up to a flame.
Tak, Lana Del Rey, co ja to robię, sorry.
Stop you. All the fakes just to watch you. Trying just to know whether you'll play your life like the game.
Prolog mamy zrobiony. No i oczywiście będzie nowy, Wiesiek będzie nowy, nie? Dodatek. Też będziemy grać za rok. Mam nadzieję.
Always wanted to do. Live this one life for you. Can't say I'm surprised too. See you running towards the sun. Like I'm up to a
Kurde, ładne to jest te. Ja to zostawiam, bo to jest ładne.
people try and stop you. But all the fakes just to watch you. Dying just to know whether you'll play your life like the game.
Jak mnie Twitch wywali za prawa autorskie z muzyki, to ja to torbia.
Can't say I'm surprised too. See you running towards the sun. It's the first light of day. Are you ready? All the fakes just to watch you. Dying just to know whether you'll play.
Bardzo ładna gra lustrami jest w tej grze. Ładne, naprawdę bardzo ładne intro. Podoba mi się to. To dobre jest. I cyk się teraz zawiesiła gra inna.
Do you have an appointment?
The name's Bond.
James Bond. He's with me.
You sound familiar.
Today's not about me. It's about you and the incident last month. Come on.
Month. Brytole.
This is pass, Mr. Bond.
Thanks.
No dobra, no. Idź za nią. Świetny, świetny cel. Where are you going? Cześć, Krzysiu.
Good. Upstairs it is. Gotta say, you're healing fast.
Then it was you.
Anyhow, we're going upstairs. All the way to the big brass. Like the stair you made.
Go big or go home?
Yeah.
Dobra, nie będę się wydurniał.
Yeah. Or go big and disappear.
so I'm in trouble.
Did I say that? I wouldn't have. That's confidential.
Is this about me hanging up on you in Iceland?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
All right, if that's how you want it. Pleased to meet you. I'm James. And you are?
Infuriatingly secretive.
Nie lubię jej. O, teraz.
Moneypenny, can I grab you for a second?
I'll be right down.
So, your name is Moneypenny. Does that come with a first name too?
Now let's not get carried away, James.
Or at least tell me who I'm meeting.
You're here to see M.
M. Right. You're really enjoying this, aren't you?
And you're not?
Not particularly, no.
Fajnie przeprowadzona rozmowa, to się fajne
Ponsonby.
klochanie.
James Bond here to see M.
Thank you, Moneypenny. Take a seat. M will be ready shortly.
Zistnij się tu, Kay. O, mogę wybrać pseudonimy, dobra.
You know, I didn't get much info about today's meeting. M, is that a code name?
Would be odd for a surname, wouldn't it?
Oh, let me guess then. Master... Monster?
You're very talkative, aren't you?
To możecie dać A i albo S. Będziecie też wybierać, co będziemy gadać, dobra? Jak w Wiedźminie.
I wonder if you know why I've been called here.
Everything you need to know will be explained to you shortly.
Nothing you can share on that computer of yours.
No, I'm afraid not. I do enjoy a quiet office. Perhaps we can limit the small talk. I'm sure M will be with you shortly.
Yes, of course.
Send him in. Right away. M will see you now.
A to będzie taki typowy mireczek. Siema, Heniu. To jest Małgosia.
Iceland. Air crewman in training, accidentally stumbling upon an MI6 operation of the utmost importance. Initially willing to assist, but then you hang up on us. Go against direct orders, and ultimately blow up the invaluable asset we were there to retrieve.
I wasn't aware I was under MI6 command, and I just chose not to take your advice. Mom.
Right, yes.
To jest madam, to jest skrót.
Headstrong, kicked out of several conflicts, thrill-seeking, several disciplinary... here. Issues with authority.
I believe it's more a case of authority having issues with me. Look, I know where this is going. You can spare me the velvet gloves. Do you mind telling me why I'm here?
I would like you to join His Majesty's Secret Service. I want to make you a spy.
You what?
I want you to join my training program. Though, I have to warn you, it's unlikely you'll pass the tests.
No to jak nie, to po cholerę mnie
I have
wyzywasz.
to inform you that agents have a very short life expectancy. Normal social life is near impossible. And if you do get caught, we will deny ever having heard of you.
Bierzemy, przekonała mnie.
What's the downside?
Money's terrible.
When do I start?
Now, Moneypenny's waiting for you outside. She'll run through the details. Yeah, put him through. You're dismissed. Yeah.
Chyba wchodzimy do gry. Siema Freddy, siedemski bunt wziął. Ja, richtig.
I now know what M stands for.
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
Słuchaj Frela, ty się tam doły w knefle możesz stukać, a my idziemy na zolety do tej Hony
Better
Mony.
find Moneypenny.
You're joining?
Mony Penny,
Yeah.
no.
Makes the walk down a lot less awkward.
Co będzie
Come on.
niezręcznie? Dziołcha się grzebień.
You're in the program too.
Just got assigned. I'll be the girl in the chair. Quite excited about it. I've been reading up on the Double O's and I think the program deserves a reboot.
Oh, so it's a new thing then.
Well, the other recruits have been at it for 6 months. So you have some catching up to do.
Dobra, dziocha, to szaf na miesiąc. Ta Frela czeka na Gorola, dokładnie. A niech się czeka, a my się ruszymy.
Speed. As I said, basic training and initial elimination rounds already concluded. Only 6 recruits qualified for advanced training, and so far, all of them have excelled. Final exams are in 6 months, and you'll have to ace all of them to qualify for field duty. That's assuming that Greenway lets you stay on for that long.
Greenway.
Training instructor. Missions above people and orders above principle sort of guy. Judging from your profile, I'm sure you'll get along splendidly. Anyway, I'm sending you to the MI6 training facility in Malta.
O, do
You'll be
Malty
joining the
lecimy,
other
fajnie.
recruits. Your flight's waiting for you, so you better get a move on. Break a leg, James.
Łamania girów mi da, patrz.
John Greenway.
Yes.
Ja skąd znam tą twarz?
You're late.
Że to nie on pilotował, co ty to robisz? Land Rover, patrzcie jaki ładny. Znowu będziemy klachać.
That's the training facility. Scenic.
We're not here for sightseeing. In fact, shouldn't be here at all. The sooner you realize that, the better for both of us.
No sightseeing. Got it. About me being here, you'll have to take that up with them.
Already tried. She insists we give you a chance.
And I'll take it.
Yes, until you get bored or the work's too hard. I read your file. To do this, you need skill, discipline, and above all, dedication. Pure dumb luck will only get you so far.
Have you got that covered, sir?
No jak coś z twórcy Łysego Hanysa, to musi być dobre, dokładnie.
I like what you've done with the place. Adaptive reuse without compromising the historical heritage. Bit of a splurge on the defense budgets.
We live up to or surpass all requirements for an intelligence service.
Guess that's why I'm here.
Dobrze powiedział mu. Dobrze mu powiedział.
SAS is here too.
You really have a knack for stating the obvious.
I'm just surprised. I didn't know they trained in Malta.
I expect the list of things you don't know is quite extensive.
Jaki wnerwiony, chłop ma taki wrzut na życie, że łysy fes. Mógłby szyby umyć.
This way.
Łysy ma kija w życiu, nie? O, Needless Eye, 01. Nie idę za geniuszem. Cześć. O, biega, dobra. No dobra, może nie... Czekaj, czy on podobnie... W Hitmanie trochę szybciej biegał.
Let's go. Don't want to get binned on my first day.
Te. Będziemy się podciągać. O, się piorą tam, dobra, będziemy się uczyć prać.
Everyone! Meet our new star air crewman Bond. So capable he could skip basic training. He'll now demonstrate his superior close combat skills. Monroe, will you do the honors?
Love to, sir.
Kurde, ja się w Wiedźminie
Show me what you got.
Ja się w Wiedźminie średnio pirałem. Dobra, czy to jest kascenka, czy ja tu...
Okay.
That's a bit much.
Teraz ja naprawdę nie wiem, czy...
Perhaps some basic training might still be needed. Cressida, Monroe is top of the class. I tasked you with bringing him up to speed.
But sir,
He gets 2 weeks to pass basics.
we still have to study for social engineering.
Well, consider it a challenge, Cressida. You like those. You know what? I'll up this 1 notch. If he fails, I take 2 credits from both of you.
Kurde, dobry pomysł te. Dobry pomysł. Bardzo mądre zagranie, wam powiem.
You know, I do love a challenge.
Respectfully, sir.
I think we'd be wasting our time.
Ale kuchnią na niego groźnie. No. No to jest początek, jest dużo cutscenek, ale kurde, mnie wciąga ta historia, jest ciekawe. Ciekawe poprowadzone to jest fabuła. No chyba gry psował teraz. Dobra, jedziemy. Jutro też oczywiście będzie live też z tego, ale jutro będzie od 18 start.
Yesterday was fun.
Listen, I don't know who the hell is playing favors for you. Obviously someone up high, but you won't get any from me. Better candidates were cut, and as far as I'm concerned, you should only be here if you've earned it.
Well, you and Greenway both.
No dobrze, trzeba krótko go trzymać. Jak będzie krótko trzymie, to trzeba, musisz go krótko trzymać. Będziemy się ścigać. Jej! Na motorkach, a nie autem. No, po lewej stronie, bo po prawej stronie kierownica, bo to Brytola.
Learn from the best, as they say.
And you better learn fast.
Care to explain the car?
06 DBS, a classic.
DBS-ka, Aston Martin.
Still a gorgeous drive.
Bet.
Go on then, get in. Do a lap around the island, get a feel for her. Fast as you please. No speed limits here.
Let's do this.
I'll come along, show you the course and give you a few pointers.
Kurde, DBS-ką.
If you want to prove Monroe wrong, you need to up the game. Slow down for the corners.
Dobra.
What a great set of wheels.
Teraz.
Nice traction there. Use the handbrake for sharp turns.
Dancing through.
Dobra, na spacji tradycyjny hampel.
Watch it! I love this car.
Pretty solid for a first run.
Not too shabby. Next time, let's see you go fast, please.
Dobra. To ja bym sobie jeszcze pojeździł.
Go! Get to the flag as fast as you can.
2 weeks. I'm on.
Trying to get a move on. Well, that didn't take too long.
Hit 3 targets. Prove you belong here.
Z jakimiś... A, dobra.
Don't let him punch you.
A, muszę sparować cię.
Now, add an attack. Jesus Christ.
Dobra, mniej więcej coś ogarniam. Fajnie się nadjeździ tym autem, zobaczymy, zobaczymy.
Give me 100. 1, 2, 3.
Fajnie pokazane to jest.
Requirement is 30 seconds or less. Get to the flag. You know the drill.
For the love of God, isn't that enough misery for one night?
No to nie kółka jakby z torby, takie fleki. Dobra. Niżej 15, nieźle.
Charge him, come on.
Dobra, fajnie poprowadzony ten samouczek, podoba mi się.
Top that.
Coś czuję, że ten koefficient.
About time. Something like that.
Be my best. You need to be confident, bold, and take chances.
A jak puszczam gaz, to... Rada, dawaj.
Targets along the way. Contact shots.
Out of ammo.
Dobra, wiem, że jak będę grał w to normalnie, to nie wyjdzie.
Hold on. You two, get in the ring. Okay, let's do this.
Really, my bro?
Co? Kurde, dobry jest ta gra.
Give it everything you've got.
Everything he's got isn't close to enough. On, shoot. Come on. I'm surrounded. Deal with it. Great spiral.
Kurde, ile tu jest... Ile tu jest tych mechanik. Wątpię, żebym ze wszystkiego korzystał. Klasyk.
Know what to do. I didn't want to be rude.
Okay. Aircrew, you're up. If you're serious about earning your place, let's go.
Let's go.
Any dating horror stories you care to share? You look like a man who's had a few.
O je.
You think this is a joke? Take it
Kurde,
easy, mate.
co tu lata mi? Czekajcie. Coś mi tu wyleciało. Sorry, nie wiem czy to osa. Kurde, w to kopnął. Dobra, Któryk, przepraszam. It's Pikachu, dokładnie.
Well, I thought you knew. I don't have to earn this. I can just get by on blind luck, right?
Who needs luck when you've got the old boy network on your side?
What do you say, mate? Call it a day?
Okay. No more cake!
God rules it is!
Ale dostał w ciry ode mnie. Chłopaki się biją. Uwaga. To coś dużo ich tam, nie? Tam jest kurczak. Kurde, ale jedzenie to mogliby sobie...
How did you even get here? Mommy and Daddy pulled some strings.
Lud go! Jak dostaniesz takim krzesłem... Czy zapałem tego PJ-a? No właśnie staram się. Ale jest kasanka znowu. Emocje, to pościgi. Siupaga! Jakoś go nie ściska za mocno. Wszystko tacy, żaden nie powinien mieć siły walczyć. Dokładnie. Chyba poleciała już ta mucha.
Just can't help yourself, can you? I, for one, won't be sorry when you're gone.
Sir, this is on me. I decided to take the sparring outside of the ring. Things might have gotten slightly out of hand.
Don't take the blame for him, Monroe.
Honestly, sir, he's cleared his close combat requirements. I just really wanted to test him. See what he's got.
No, honorowo się
That
zachował,
was out
ładnie.
of line, I apologize.
I expected better from you. And Monroe, if you want this mess, clean it up. Alone.
Ale mu powiedział. Ale mu powiedział. Słuchaj, masz tu bajzel, weź go sam.
You passed basic training.
Sprzątaj. Dobra,
Congratulations.
słuchamy.
However, there is also the matter of your performance review. Bond is immature and reckless, guided by his gut feelings and mistaken ideas of loyalty. He's a bad influence on the other recruits who inexplicably fall victim to his charm. Greenway recommends that I cut you from the program.
Lepszy miał wcześniej fryz, ten nie.
Price. It's been a pleasure, Mom.
I want to show you something.
Zawsze powalenie okna, spadanie 2 piętra, niż rozwiążemy wszystko swoim... Co? Dokładnie, Peters. Tak zazwyczaj robimy. I to szczególnie w Wigilię. Po wyleniu okna spędzasz 2 piętra.
Yes.
Dobra.
I rather enjoy it myself.
What's down there?
You'll see, but first let me give you some context. I've been heading MI6 for 14 months now. Tell me, how many terror attacks have we had on British soil in that period?
As far as I know, none.
Dead agents, blown covers?
I wouldn't know, Mom.
Also none. How about the number of prevented or secretly resolved conflicts? Countless.
No i...
This way.
Myślę, że nie, Peter, że tak nie zrobimy na spotkaniu.
I need to check your clearance, sir.
He's with me, there's no need.
Mum.
To już się tak godo, bo żeby nie było.
Never before have we had a success rate like now. Never before the precision, safety, intel quality and conflict resolution to such high standards. Unprecedented and unrivaled by anyone else in the intelligence community.
Jakie blumy tu są, patrzcie. Jako ty masz gaśnica, misiu, no. Chłopie, te zakola. Dobra, idziemy dalej, ustawiamy łysego. Kurde, wolno się poruszą, ale nie wiem jak będzie stricte richtig rozgrywka. Fajne nawiązania tutaj do Bonda, właśnie, że z otwierającymi tymi się tak jak okno. Jak kamera stara, nie?
This is the reason for our success.
I takie parówki. Nie, dobra.
The world's first and only second generation quantum computer.
I thought those things were theoretical at best.
That's what we want you to think. Theia synthesizes millions of data streams instantaneously to make statistical deductions on matters of national security. The system's all but wiped the floor with GCHQ.
Okay,
Since its activation, we've saved more lives, thwarted more attacks, lost fewer people. That was Theia
Dokładnie.
in Iceland, in case you were wondering, guiding you every step of the way.
And yet it was wrong.
Theia gave you a less than 1% chance of success. You simply beat the odds.
I didn't realize those were actual odds.
Still, you proved an important point of mine. You see, I strongly believe that there is still a need for such human flourishes as heart and intuition in modern spycraft. In fact, that's the very reason I'm bringing back the Double O's.
Oh, I heard you were cleared for advanced training?
I am?
You did an impossible thing. I would like you to do it again.
And if I can't?
Well, then I don't have much use for you, do I?
Hitman tam
Now
przyszedł.
get the hell out of my Faraday cage.
Come on. I'll take you to Q-Lab.
Dobra, czekajcie, muszę zawrzeć okno. Co cię minęło, to jest program szkoleniowy, ale fajnie poprowadzony, naprawdę, jest fajnie. Dokładnie, krzesłem możemy się obijać, oczywiście. Jest Eksturik? Jedziemy. Cały czas mamy prolog,
So,
nie?
what's
Jakieś
in
takiego
Q-Lab?
coś.
Apart from Q, I wouldn't really know where to begin. You'll see.
You really should work on that infuriatingly secretive side of yours.
Oh. But you don't think that I'm hitting all of the marks? Well, how about this? I'm sure there'll be a surprise or two for you in there.
Bit over the top, perhaps.
You just wait and see.
To jest budka telefoniczna. Kajmi, gdzie mi z tym szprajem gamonie? O, taki motorek właśnie mam, też tak pali.
Oh, and Dr. Tan asked to see you as well. Look for a sign that says Taksim.
Spotkanie powitalne, no dobra.
Oh, Recruit Bond, if I'm not mistaken. Can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for my jaw. Think I dropped it somewhere.
Happens all the time. Welcome to Q Branch.
What exactly is Q Branch?
MI6's internal R&D division. We design customized field equipment for that extra edge.
I'm not getting a cyanide tooth, if that's what you mean.
Cold War myth. We prefer to keep you alive.
Then we're on the same page. Where might I find Q?
Down past the central platform.
Cheers. Who is this Q person?
He's the head of branch. Dapper-looking chap, but don't let appearances fool you. The man's mind is as sharp as the crease in his trousers.
That should narrow the list.
Czekaj, bystry jak woda w rzece, czy woda w rzece jest... W Tibie graliśmy. Myślałem o tym, że ciekawe, czy Fred był paladynem, może była już Axa.
That drone nearly gave our new recruit a free haircut. Keep your test flights tight.
Ready?
Hit me.
Oh! You alright?
Bloody hell. It's like stepping in front of a jet engine.
Go again?
Give me a moment.
Dawaj!
My bells are adjusting. My fault.
I'm just trying to get through.
You like it?
We need to
Who
increase the
knows?
payload.
Maybe
We want an
someday you'll
oil
get to
slick,
take
not
me
a
to the
trail.
The payload size is fine. It's thrust and velocity that's the problem.
Pozwiedzamy sobie trochę. Ja lubię posznupać.
Give it a shot.
Stop, pogadamy.
What is that?
That is an impetus cube. Its design is evocative but ambiguous. Its purpose, elusive. Few
Co?
people can resist the urge to pick it up. Of course, when they do, zap.
Curiosity killed the trespasser.
Stunned. We're not barbarians. But
No,
they
na
will need a
pewno.
change of trousers.
Lovely.
Jak się nazywał ten spell, pod jednym rzucało, spamowało? Nie pamiętam.
Target down. No two ways about it.
Tremendous design. Barely any recoil. What's next?
We need to talk downstairs.
Have you been down to deep
Who has
storage?
blueprint for a fan?
Oh, I tell you, some of this Cold War stuff is ingenious for its time. I found this 60s era diesel-powered jetpack.
Mamy szybę.
Complete death trap.
Dobra, idziemy do tego hopa.
Everyone knows about the exploding cigar, but my personal favorite has got to be the exploding conch.
Czekaj, tam hop na kanapie siedzi.
Nice couch.
Not just any couch, our latest in tactical traps. Say you come home and find an assassin waiting for you in the shadows. No problem. Simply flip the hidden switch, the couch folds in on itself, and voila, the hunter becomes the prey.
Neat. How does he get back out?
With great difficulty.
Okay then.
Mhm, fajne, fajne.
James Bond? Stand still.
I'm looking for someone called Q.
And you found him. Right, step through here, please. Now, look into these. Hold still, eyes open.
What was that?
It's your lenses. They need a little time to calibrate, so you won't see anything just yet. Ah, interesting. Right, follow me. I have something for you.
Chyba będziemy tak jak w Hitmanie widzieć, zamiast instynkt, to przez te soczewki będziemy widzieć, co jest za ścianą, albo coś takiego. Omega.
I already have a watch.
Oh, you do? May I see it? Now you get a new one.
Kurde, fajne.
Now choose one.
What's the difference?
This one's maroon. That's navy. Burgundy, winter grey.
To jaki kolor bierzemy? Mamy zimowa szarość, poranna szarość, granat, burgund, szmaragd, iskrzyca szarość, nocne bordo. Jaki wajzel wybieramy? Ja bym może nocne, ja bym był chyba za bardzo za nocne bordo. Ten srebrno-szary wejść, no dobra, czyli... Nie ma srebrno-szarej. Jest zimowa szarość, poranna szarość, Srebrno-szary to jest ten po lewej. Dobra, to na ostatni, czyli zimowa szarość. Byle jaki, to jest trzeci od mojej prawej.
Give it a moment to calibrate.
O,
Switch
tu
on
mamy
the Q lens overlay. Now, use the watch to turn off the two lamps on the table in front of you.
Serem będę musiał alt trzymać, a nie mogę tak tego. Daj. Wytrzymaj alt, a przynajmniej zrobię soczewki. Q, aha! I teraz 3 można nacisnąć.
Excellent. Great.
Aha,
work.
dobra.
It has a variable active range and a 360 reach angle. To be honest, we haven't tested it to its limit yet. Why don't you give it a try?
Nie mogę się ruszyć, dobra.
I like it. Don't change a thing.
Oops, it must still be set to my profile. Well done, though. Let me reset your watch to field mode. If it runs out of power mid-mission, you can recharge it from whatever electrical devices are available.
Aha,
such as the
dobra.
battery on the bench there. Montgomery, we need a cleanup over here.
Right away.
Gdzie jestem? No, brzuch. Dobra, to bateria mi się pokaże.
Webb Industries. They've come a long way since artillery cannons.
Czy dziwisz, czym czwary pamiętasz?
Q?
What's on your mind?
Moneypenny. What's her story?
Grew up in Hammersmith, studied computer science at Imperial College London. She turned down an illustrious career in the private tech industry to instead join SO-15 as an intelligence officer. She was tapped for MI6 after she exposed a domestic terrorist cell. Incidentally, I believe she's the one who recommended you for the program.
Here, I thought we were friends. What can you tell me about Em?
Career diplomat with postings in Jordan, Iran, Iraq, and Indonesia. No one's top pick, but an easy compromise. Uncontroversial, non-partisan, dependable. Someone who wouldn't rock the boat. I dare say a few MPs choked on their biscuits when she relaunched the long-shutter 00 program on her first day of office.
And why'd she do it?
M puts a lot of faith in people. AI is all well and good, but in her experience, information isn't knowledge, and knowledge isn't insight.
Torture the data, and it will confess to anything.
Precisely.
Em just showed me the lady of the house. One of yours?
Oh, no. Computers are not my field, quantum or otherwise. Thea was developed by Webb Industries.
The AI company?
Only recently. They're one of the UK's oldest defense contractors. Their partnership with the government goes back more than a century.
Podoba mi się, że gramy w Bonda, a wy na czacie piszecie o Tibi.
Not office supplies.
Nie, spoko, luz.
Who needs an explosive pen when all the agents are snug behind the desk?
Indeed.
The asset in Iceland. I think it's about time someone levels with me.
The asset, as you put it, was a foreign spy satellite. One node in a sophisticated cloud-based data network. Obtaining it would have provided us a unique backdoor deep into a rival's intelligence apparatus.
Right, and I'm sure it crashed entirely by accident.
No, it truly did. Guidance chip malfunction. Its owners
Nie
believe it
kończymy
turned
już.
up
Nie
during
no,
the
luz,
reentry,
jak chcecie
but
to piszcie.
Thea pieced together the facts
A
from
kanał
a number of
Pokonanych, ale...
disparate
To kanał, a kanał Pokonanych, ale...
Siberian social media
Nie
poster,
tylko, to jest Fred
Norwegian
gra.
weather satellite, Quite remarkable, really.
How did Arrowhead?
We found spyware on a member of the extraction team.
Na razie teraz będzie o 07.
Modern criminals target hundreds
Jutro
of
impreza.
employees. Shotgun approach.
Zapraszam jutro o
Sit
18
back and
oczywiście.
wait for a boon. I tell you, Bond, you picked one hell of a time to become a secret agent.
Well, better not keep Moneypenny waiting. Good to meet you, Q.
Likewise.
A, cześć Frela.
James Bond. I've been monitoring you quite closely.
The last time someone told me that, I had to leave the country in some haste.
Oh, which country?
Which time?
Dr. Selena Tan. I'm in charge of tactical simulations. My department specializes in performance management and skill development. I've been working with Thea on a prototype based on the Icing incident. Once the system is operational, I'd very much like you to have a go.
Oh, I'm not sure. Ever been one for nostalgia?
You're intrigued, admit it. Come and see me after training. I promise you won't be disappointed.
Oh, hi. Here to see Q. He's around somewhere.
Tu jeszcze funkcja. Trzeba by coś... O, coś odwalimy, to.
Still a few kinks to iron out. The
Why
smoke
can't I
is
see
blurred
anything?
this time.
Probably the proximity sensors need recalibrating.
A, bo ja mogę tak oślepiać. Ja tak mogę oślepiać innych. Dobre to będzie dobre właśnie, będę mógł oślepić kogoś. I wiecie, i wtedy przejść. No, trzeba będzie się uczyć. Co? No i gadamy o grach Shred 07, to mało tylu 1.8 na banie trzeba będzie jak nasza. Dobra, idziemy, nie wiem.
If you're ready to leave, I'll brief you on advanced training. Your keys.
For?
Your digs. MI6 is setting you up in safe houses for the next 6 months. You're with Cressida and Monroe.
So we're not going back to Malta?
I show you this and you want to go back to bunk beds. To kill for a place like that. But yes, you'll be going back and forth between MI6 and Malta for advanced training. And when in London, you'll just have to slum it in Bayswater.
Ile dałbym? Dokładnie, dałbym by zapomnieć, właśnie. Dobrze, żeby przypomnieć.
Oh, Stephen Bright.
Foreign Secretary Bright.
A, minister,
Bond.
dobra.
I was just dropping off a few boxes for Cressida. I hope we'll meet again.
Coś będzie z tym premierem, jak go pokazali.
Hey, Bond. Welcome home.
Hey, guys.
Hey, Bond. You've got to check this place out. Rooms are in the back.
Masz szpetny sweter.
Enter the hall to the left.
Mogę tu też? Nie, tu nie mogę odpalić tego. Masz poczuć się jak w domu, to czuję.
Yeah. This corner's just perfect for my training gear. Now go. Get settled.
Czekaj, ja patrzę na te widoki nam. Wnerwia mnie to, że tu nie ma mapy. Czekaj, to miałem iść... Idziemy do haźla.
Bathroom's bigger than my last flat. And the one before that. Put together.
No kurde, nie można. Najgorzej. To 2 na 10, już oceniamy tą grę. 2 na 10. Piłka...
Foreign Secretary Bright is your dad. I just met him at the door.
Yes, didn't you know?
When did you get here?
About 40 minutes ago.
You're already plastering the walls with study plans.
We have a lot of work ahead of us, but not a lot of time.
What have you got for me?
The key to your room. Obviously, the best room's already taken, but the second best one's still free.
Dokładnie, Fred Gotti grym jakbyś zagrał, a nie jakieś dobre gry, dokładnie.
Decisions is a mystery to me. The key's on my desk.
Why do you think this room is the best one?
Facing east, releasing endorphins in the morning. Cold in the evening and not facing the streets. The bathroom is right next door. Of course, the pipes and the drains are facing this way, but that's a small concern compared to the upsides.
You really considered all that?
Who wouldn't? Besides, I really like the color.
Notes and a mess. In 40 minutes, I'm impressed.
Shut it. You're starting to sound like Monroe.
Boxing glove?
It's for you. Practically had your name on it.
That meant to be a jab.
Ten alt tu nie działa, czyli ten zegar nie działa.
Well, this is me then.
Ty, no nie no, ładny, nie?
Yeah, this does beat the bunk beds.
Ah, Monroe. Are you hacking my laptop again? Stop it.
A, teraz będzie działał. Tutaj flarę dali mocną, żeby nie było widać tam dalszych obiektów. O. Kiedy gramy w farmę? Jutro. Stałem, że takie, ale to mi się z rapem nie kojarzy. Przypominam się, żeby było chodzić jedno słowo hajsia albo dzienni, dokładnie. Tu jest kask motocyklowy, ale średni. Dzisiaj after po flekach, więc zapraszam.
Trying to read my messages, you creep.
Studster 555 wants to see you again.
Oh, please. I mean it. Stop it. You're going to break it. Find something else to hack, please.
All right, all right.
Pół do przeprowadzki. Starta książek o tematyce szpiegowskiej, własność kresindowa.
Boys, someone needs to unpack the kitchen. What's for dinner?
Leave it. Let's head out and celebrate.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
Gotta love this watch.
Raport z wynikami uzyskany przez rekrutu podczas szkolenia podstawowego, który jest na szczycie listy. O! Nie ma nic na tym. Ale fajnie, że można obrócić tą kartkę. To jest fajna rzecz. Tombak tam był. Aha, nie myślę tego. Aha, bo...
You want to try the game? Take this card. Look at it for 10 seconds and try to memorize as much as possible.
Gramy te. Pamięć aktywne, przechowywanie informacji. No dobra. Czekajcie, to się muszę skupić. Zobaczymy, jak mi pójdzie.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Now, tell me what the symbols were in the bottom corners.
Nie. D.
Pen and shoe. Sorry, May.
Co ty gadasz?
That's incorrect. Could charm the birds off the trees, but forgets to put the kettle on.
Co ty gadasz? Nie mogę. Kurka, flag, ale spartoliłem, sorry. Czyli jestem jednak do życi, no zdarza się. Zdarza się najlepszy, właśnie dlatego jestem najlepszy. Buty.
Good. Let's settle this once and for all. That poster should not go on our wall.
This is now our home. And our home needs things that really mean something.
And a beat-up flea market poster does?
Oh, that's rich. This is a collector's piece, very rare. Your painting's just a mass-produced replica.
Now you're here, you can help us settle something. I'll just get Monroe. Hey, Monroe. Mind coming to the kitchen?
Coming.
Bond, you'll be the judge. What do you say? This grotesque pastiche of hypermasculine tropes, or this piece masterfully commanded
Które bieremy?
with a quiet intensity?
Jaki graj taki 07, dokładnie.
Picture or the boring one?
Abstrakcje czy sztuki walki? Które weźmiemy? Nie wiem, mi się już ciężko skupić, bo było na przykład właśnie z takimi tymi. Bierzemy abstrakcja czy ciulanie się? Też chcę, żebyście mieli też wpływ na tą grę. Dawaj już tu, no dobra.
The poster. Sorry, Cress. I like the explosive and uncontrolled aesthetics. It's inspiring.
Knew I could count on you, mate.
If that poster goes up here, your shoes go in your room, Monroe.
Those two things are completely unrelated.
You didn't care to tell me your dad's the foreign secretary.
Actually, no. People tend to act awkward around me when I do. I much prefer to be just Cressida.
Oh, there's nothing just about being Cressida.
Nice one, Bond. Work on your subtlety, and I'm sure you'll pass social engineering with flying colors.
No.
Let's go eat.
Thank God, I'm starving. Hi, there's a decent Indian just around the corner. There's just enough time before we head back to Malta. Monroe?
Nie wiem, czy chyba misję już dzisiaj zdążymy zrobić, wątpię.
Always do the unexpected. It's the first rule of spycraft. Task is simple. Go in and get the flag.
Aha, dobra, to dam
No
radę.
lethal force is allowed unless the opponent has intent to kill. This may not be real guns, but we still play by those rules. Is that understood? Bond, your first Cressida Monroe will be your radio support. Try not to embarrass yourself.
No pieces in, boys. What's our strategy?
Just have to wing it.
Dobra, to zrobimy.
Greenway emphasized our code of conduct. So this exercise must be about testing how good we are with the new equipment from Q-Lab. Natural thinking and all that?
With that watch, you'll run circles around those grunts.
In position.
Good luck. What are you waiting for?
Gate to open.
Must be part of the test. Use your watch, Bond.
Kurde, mi się knefle mylą, bo naciskam E zamiast 3.
Entering now. Here we go.
This is it, Bond. Get that flag.
Remember your training, mate. You've got this.
You've got your Q-lens. Use it.
A, że możesz oślepić kogoś i tak dalej.
Good thinking staying low. Nice. They didn't expect that to happen.
Hey.
Come on, mate. Up you come.
I'll batter you.
Hey, if it works, it works.
Fine.
Go.
Let's end this.
Good choice moving right. I'd have done the same. You're doing great. Remember our code of conduct. Don't shoot until absolutely necessary.
No, spróbujemy nie strzelać, nie?
No guns. I know.
Muszę się nauczyć tutaj. Ale eliminacja to jest... Nie, że nie zabie... Aha, że nie rozwalasz ich. tylko ten. Ja nie wiem, czy eliminacja tutaj
Get
jest...
out of sight, Bond.
If someone's over there, identify yourself.
I'll tear you apart.
Dobra, nie chcę tak tego przechodzić, ale...
Never give in.
Tak, więc pokazuję kają miś. Aha! No świetnie, nie? Rewelacyjnie, dobra. Nauczymy się.
No excessive force.
This is getting stupid.
What is that?
Rules of engagement. Better not.
Don't know what that was.
What the? I'll have a quick look.
If you don't move, they'll plot you.
What? You daft little muff with you!
I'm on it. Cross your flanks. I've got the shot locked in. I need it now. Yeah, exactly. Right there. Right on the mark. I'm covering you. He's up in the air. I've lost visual on him.
So many ways to do that course.
Watch it.
Over there. Go check on them. Watch yourself.
Nie chcę tak strzelać, no. Muszę się sterowania nauczyć trochę.
He's still breathing. Going up the ladder. Kurt must have noticed. Man down, right there. Visual confirmed. There, in those plants. I'll take him down.
They're about to see you, Bond.
Going down the ladder.
Can't wait to show those SAS when it's my turn.
Kają miś tam.
You can't move quietly in this stuff.
Trochę oczy już mnie boją, powiem wam. Wiem, że kręcę się w kółko.
Nothing here. I'll move position.
No guns. I know. excessive force.
Aha, dobra, dobra. Ja się tu uczę jeszcze sterowania takiego. Padłem jak za bajtlem, że myślałem, że że policja wzywa posiłki, bo byli głodni. Powiem ci, no nieźle. Ja to mogę jakieś, nie mogę.
Staying in
They can
position.
see you.
Keep your eyes peeled. Let me see. Got a line. Going over this area, we're going down. He's gone dark. I've got him zeroed in. Oh, what? No, target's attacking us. Oh, bullets! Cover me! He's disappeared, I can't see him.
To było tak. Ja niestety jeszcze muszę się zapoznać z tym. Tu jest jeszcze jeden.
Eyes on the prize, mate.
Na razie bez strzelania mi się udaje.
Target spotted. Engage.
Hold the line.
To był zły pomysł.
He's moving through the plants.
I've got a line.
Ja ich tu w bambuko robię.
Got a line. Trap him.
Let's finish this.
There, in the plant.
No nie chyba mnie widzą.
He's mine for the taking.
Supporting fire. I'm out. You're blocking my shot. Right beneath him. That's him. In the plant. I'll take it down. Down under us.
O, fajnie, że schodzisz.
Ready to fire.
Ale jestem kijowy w to.
He's using the plant. Lost visual. Lost visual. Out of the way. Shoot me.
He's on top of us. I've got the shot. Right shot.
No, wszystkich tu wyeliminuję najwyżej tyle.
He's locked in.
I can't see him. Stay sharp.
Get out of sight, Bond.
I need
6
to
months
find
of
him.
this? Yes, please.
Taking the ladder down.
No trochę przechodzę ten samouczek, ale...
I can hear you rustling.
Wkurza mnie ten kontrol.
Rules of
tutaj.
engagement. Better not.
You think you can lose me?
Kurde, nie podoba mi się to.
What's wrong with you? Visual on target.
Wszystkich będę prał tu.
You made it to the tower. Now get to its top.
I'll check next to this.
Co jest? Czemu tu nie możesz wejść? A, tu.
I know exactly how I'm gonna play this on my run.
Too easy.
Dobrze mi poszło.
Again. Establishing a baseline is the first thing they'll want to do. Answer truthfully. What's your name?
James Bond,
How old are you?
26.
That's our baseline. Now watch this. You don't like me, do you?
Skłam, dajemy, skłamy.
I don't mind you. Much?
Clear Spike. Now, if you can muster the courage, unlike young Bond here, it's always best to go with the truth. As long as it doesn't jeopardize your mission objective or sensitive information. Let's try again. Do you think telling me you don't like me will affect my ability to judge you objectively?
Based on our past experience, yes.
In other words, you think I'm incompetent. You miss your parents?
None of your business.
But you would agree that being orphaned at a young age has left you rudderless and unable to finish anything meaningful.
No.
Are you offended? You think I've overstepped? You do realize that the people who put you in that chair in real life, they won't play fair.
Dig in.
Kurwanie to
Can't believe
wygląda.
you made it out.
Oh, yes, it was very dangerous.
Bond, we're waiting.
Jaka owłosiona klata.
Bob?
Archives.
Are you comfortable?
Thank you. I am.
Let's calibrate. What's your name?
Cressida Bright.
Eye color?
Pale blue-grey.
Okay, that's a solid baseline. Now, start spinning Porky's crest.
Ready? Here we go.
How old are you?
52.
How the hell do you do that? Try something harder?
Cressida, does it bother you to be such a Nepo baby?
Don't be absurd. My parents are serving time for embezzlement. I had to change my name because of it.
Ooh, your mother would be devastated to hear you say that, Cress. She spends every waking hour paving your way through life. I'm curious, doesn't that make you doubt your achievements sometimes?
My spiritual journey has taken me to a place where the words like mother and achievements are meaningless.
Nothing. How is that possible? You have to try harder to trip her up, Bond.
O,
So, Cressida, how long have you had the hots for Monroe?
I don't. Hey,
Ah,
that's
ma.
not fair, Bond.
What? You fancy me? Why didn't you just say so?
no oczywiście, bo emocje wchodzą, klasyk.
It's important you understand how they work. These phones do more than just make calls. Bond, Ronson, please pick up a
O,
phone
wybieramy
and load
telefon.
up from the chemicals on the workbench.
Can't wait.
Found what I needed.
Splendid.
O, to życie,
Step into
dobra.
the red square. Bond, step into the blue circle.
Well, this is going to suck.
Wiem, że miałem gdzie indziej stanąć, ale chciałem tutaj zobaczyć, czy Garake zareaguje.
Bond, whenever you're ready.
Sorry, Ronson. Nothing personal.
Aha, dobra, alt.
Nausea, dizziness and
O, to będzie dobre, dobra, no. To
The
wiem.
target's balance is affected, making it impossible for them to remain standing in one place. Perfect for when you need someone out of your way.
Shit. It's not possible.
Correct. Given your current inability to listen to my guidance, it is not. Bond, you're up.
Tak, to jest placebo, tak, wykrywacz kłamstw. Dokładnie.
I need some air.
You can't control the target, Monroe, but you can learn to control you. Bond, pick up the gun and hit the target.
Sounds simple enough.
Almost. Try again. Skill or pure dumb luck? Let's find out.
Again.
Na pewno dwóch z nich pewnie zginie, więc się nie mamy co przyzwyczajać.
I can't believe you pulled that trick on me. Always do the unexpected. Fast through the spycraft.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, I mean, you still beat me.
Well, of course. But still.
Early day tomorrow. Catch the flag at daybreak. SAS are prepping for it now. Suggest you get some rest.
I remember when Sundays were Sundays.
Yeah. Hey, listen, why don't we just take tomorrow off?
I wish.
I'm serious. Don't we go get the flag now? Have a well-deserved rest tomorrow.
That's actually not a bad idea.
What? You want to do this, Chris?
First for the spycraft? Greenway can't possibly object.
They're gonna stand there all night.
Leave them to me, boys. Earpieces in? Let me know when you're through.
I na...
Let's go.
Listen, I know you guys don't like to be humiliated on a course.
Dobra, i na tym to było zapisane i na dzisiaj na tym skończymy, moi drodzy. Dziękuję wam bardzo, żeście byli ze szkolenia, ruch, walka, gadżety, okej. Dobra, to na tym do dzisiaj zakończymy szpil. Dziękuję wam bardzo za to, żeście byli. Pamiętajcie o ustawieniu łapy w górę, subskrypcji i komentarza pod tym filmem. Zapraszam na After po flekach, tak 15 po na Discordzie. Tymczasem się z wami żegnam. Trzymajcie się. Jutro 18. Kontynuujemy błądzika. Mam nadzieję, że wcale się nie będę robił błędów. Trzymajcie się. Do zobaczenia. Cześć.